Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the Timewarp filter on TikTok. Really easy to get. So all you have to do is head over to the TikTok application and open that up. And then all you want to do is go to the top search bar and just search for Timewarp filter. Search for that, and then all you want to do is go over to videos and just click on a video that's using that filter. So this one right here. Once you click on the video, above the person's username, you can click on the Timewarp little yellow icon. Click on that, and then you're able to add that to favorites, and then you'll be able to make your own TikTok videos with this filter in it. I hope I was able to help you guys out with getting this filter. If it was helpful, leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.